So today I'm revisiting chicken livers. I love chicken livers. They remind me of my mom. She made excellent chicken livers. But I got me an air fryer and I want to try them out. I want to bread them in pork rinds, and I want to try out my air fryer and see if they're as good as what Mama's was. That's a tall order, but I'm going to give it a try. The first thing I did was took the livers out of the tub they came in. I rinsed them real good, and they've been soaking in the marinade here for about 30 minutes or so. You can use your favorite marinade. Mine's pretty simple, just some spices and a little bit of soy sauce, but just let them soak for a little bit, and we'll strain them again and then go on to the next step. All right, here comes the part that takes the longest, I guess. Putting the breading on it. I'm using some this pork product. I like this a lot. Saves a little bit of time. Costs just about the same as if you'd go buy that many ounces of pork rinds and beat them yourself, maybe just a little bit more. I have seasoned my livers with some old Dan-O's, sugar-free stuff, low sodium, and some Kinders. I like that red garlic jalapeno stuff a lot, so I've just seasoned that up a little bit. And now what we do is give them an egg bath, then dump them in this mix here, and then put them on a plate and get them ready for the air fryer. So we're gonna make this happen, and I'm gonna fast forward it because this is so exciting and everything. But let's get it done. Hey, if you're interested in a keto, low-carb lifestyle, let me invite you to subscribe, ring the bell, and all that good stuff. Like the video. I normally try to do stuff that's real simple and easy, and I appreciate you watching today, and we'll carry on with the video. All right, we've got them all breaded up here. You want to put them in the air fryer. I'm going to go spray them with a little bit of olive oil first, and then we'll put them in the air fryer and go from there. Can't wait. All right, they are in there cooking up. We'll see how they come out. I got it set on 400 for about 10 minutes, air fried, and we'll see how they come out here in just a little bit. All right, here's our chicken livers done up in the air fryer. It did take about 5 to 6 minutes at 400. I took it, flipped them about halfway through. Just keep probing, make sure you don't go crazy, but I even went over a little bit, 165. I went up about 180 to get it crisp up the way I like it, but let's dig in, see how they turned out. And oh, this little magical sauce right here, that's some of that G. Hughes clucking sauce. Let's try it out. Here we go. Yes, I have my sauce here. Let's put a little dip on there. See what we got. Oh yeah. Well, that turned out nice and crispy. It's a little work, but it's worth it. Give it a try, and if you want to enhance it just a little bit, get some of that G. Hughes. That stuff's great. So, I give it a thumbs up. Well, there you have it, man. Those things are great. I love them. They're not Mama's, of course, because hers was made with love, but yeah, if you got you an air fryer, man, this really kind of crisps them up, and it just makes them like Mom used to make. But until next time, may the Lord bless you and eat well.